welcome to our course. My name is Lei Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about Public Security Bureau. We're going to learn new words and characters related to it, and it will be very useful, especially if you're living in China or traveling here. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we have to get familiar with the three new characters. Public Security Bureau. So this is almost the same as police station, but this is how we call it. Public 公安, which indicates 安全 means security, 局 means bureau. 公安局, 公安 flatten, 局 second turn. 公安局. So first, 警察, 警察 police, 警察 police uniform, 警服 second we have learned, which means clothes. 警服 and handcuffs, 手铐 read after me. 手铐 pistol, 手枪 and walkie-talkie, 对讲机 read after me. 对讲机 police dog, 警犬 and then police car, 警车 and siren, 警笛 second turn, 笛 警笛 read after me. 警笛 and plainclothes police, 便衣警察 便衣警察 and then traffic police, 交通警察 traffic 警察 police, 交通警察 and then thief, 小偷 robbery, 抢劫 kidnap, 绑架 murder, 谋杀 read after me. 谋杀 and then call the police, 报警 suspect, 犯罪嫌疑人 it's a little bit long, but it's simple because these two are first turn, these three are second turn. So 犯罪 and here 嫌疑人 in here 犯罪 means like criminal, and here is suspect. 嫌疑人 is suspect. 犯罪嫌疑人 and arrest 逮捕 witness 目击者 and victim 受害者 interrogation 审问 make a note 做笔录 笔录，做笔录。Evidence， 证据 both first time， 证据，证据 and detention， 拘留，拘留，拘留。Court， 法庭，法庭，法庭。Trial， 审判 read after me， 审判，审判。And the last one, prison， 监狱，监狱，监 flatten 狱 first 监狱。So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little big icon so that you can get notification for the next video. Anyway, see you in the next course. Bye!